पणजी महापालिकेन मंगळारा आर्थिक वर्ष 2026-27 खातीर 107.17 कोटी रुपयांच्या अर्थसंकल्पाक मान्यताय दिली। चालू आर्थिक वर्षात महापालिकेक कर आणि हेर उत्पन्नांतल्यान 113.18 कोटी रुपयांचो महसूल मेळपाची शक्यताय असून 113.3 कोटी रुपये महसुला खातीर खर्च जातले, जाल्यार 37.3 कोटी भांडवल उत्पन्न आणि 50 कोटी भांडवला खातीर खर्च जावपाची शक्यताय आसा। अंदूच्या अर्थसंकल्पीय निधींतल्यान वेगवेगळी उदरगतीची कामां करपाक प्राधान्य दितले अशी माहिती महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी दिली।
Most of it, I think, is more to do with accounting than with anything else. As I clearly mentioned also my stand is very similar when it comes to anything to do with the budget. Our responsibility is to bring development work or whatever the people require to get all of that done. We will then instruct the administration on what is required for that particular year. Now, say for example, we are taking up various development works. Now, we are building a center for autistic children. It's going to be one of the first in the country the municipality is doing. Because see, my children also are autistic. There's a lot that needs to be done for special needs children, especially in Punjab. So because of that, we are doing a full-fledged proposal to help them. That is going to come up to, that itself will come up to 5 crores. We want to redo Church Square, that will come up to another 5-6 crores. So there's a lot of work that we are planning. See, my job is basically to tell the commissioner, to tell the administration, this is the amount of money that I require. And their job is basically to make those funds available to the councillors for whatever the people need. Now, in terms of these budgeting issues and all, the opposition can bring it up with the thing and they can give their replies. So that is it.
How much money has been collected from the casino garbage?
That you ask commissioner, that those details that do not have like that. All, see, we are never, corporation has never done loss. There will be arguments about how much is there or whatever it is, but the corporation has never been in a loss. See, I remind everybody also now, prior to us joining, the house taxes were raised almost every year by 5 to 10%. This time we made a choice when I was there in the beginning not to raise taxes at all because it's unfair to the people. Because the corporation and the administration was not doing their job collecting taxes, we should not unfairly burden people. And for that, for this are the commissioner, those numbers, commissioner will give you all of those details.
So how much is being earmarked for developmental works?
See, it depends on each individual project. See, I have told him at least this year to keep around 25 crores available, just in case for any. The main projects will always be there, but in case there are additional projects that come up or anything else that will come. So 25 crores would have asked him.
So including the fish market, the project.
Yeah, so all of that. So now fish market also when it was done, I was not involved in it, but it was done. It wasn't done correctly. What they said is correct. It was not done correctly. So we are redoing that entire thing. We want to make sure it's done properly.
Yeah, so today we had a budget meeting. So we have presented a surplus budget this year. Same, it has been same like the previous years, what we have been doing. And the focus is on development of the city also. Many new projects also which the corporation is initiating. Like there's a new respite center for special children which the corporation has proposed to construct in Karanjali. So we have made provisions for that. There's beautification of the church square also which is going to happen. The focus is also on how to increase revenue collection. Like you see last year, like for example, we had this Ashtami fair, the Ganesh Chaturthi market, what happens over there on the promenade. We got 1 crore 15 lakhs revenue from that fair. Like the previous years also, like the year before that, it was 1 crore 10 lakhs, and before it was around 90 lakhs. So there has been a quantum jump because of the efficiency in collection. So we want to replicate that in whatever we do this year, like even other fairs and all. So revenue should come into the corporation through such fees and all. And we also don't want to burden the people with a lot of excessive taxation also.